Hello students, our today's topic is distribute charge of payment differences. For that we have to create first customer invoice, then we will show the payment differences by distribute charge of. SAP में जाते हैं. Okay, come back and now FP70 again. Enter your customer. Enter the date. Click on calculate tax, then press enter. Again press enter. Select your revenue ledger. Then select your tax account. And then your cost center. That is angle grinder. Press enter. Click on editing options. Select document type. Save, come back. Okay, we'll check our tax code. Okay, press enter. Amount, enter the amount. Again press enter. Okay, then click on simulate button and then post. Now come back. Go to F-28, 21. Select ledger. Select your customer. Click on process upon item. Press enter. Again press enter. Double click on our entry. Then click on back button. Enter your debit 40 on our GL ledger. Then press enter. Enter amount, that is 2500. Our value date. And then click on post button. So देखो यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है, difference is too large. Now click on come back button. Enter here debit to our expense ledger 50000. Press enter. Enter the amount and select the tax code V0, that is exempt from VAT. Press enter. Then select our cost center. And then press enter and document simulate and then post. Come back and now go to FPL 7L5N. तो यहाँ पर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एक्सपेंस अकाउंट से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सेलेक्ट ऑल आइटम्स एंड देन क्लिक ऑन एग्जीक्यूट बटन. तो देखो यहाँ पर हमारी 2975 की एंट्री क्लियर हो चुकी है.